In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print with Canva. We'll walk through the exact flow from your design to a ready-to-order print, and I'll share a few quick tips so you can feel confident before you check out. Start by opening the design you want to print. At the top right, click the Share button. From the menu that appears, choose Print with Canva. This takes you into Canva's printing flow. Here, you'll see a variety of print products, things like flyers, business cards, posters, invitations, and more. Browse to find the option that matches your design, then click it. You'll be redirected to the setup page for that product. On the right side, you'll find the print settings. First, choose which pages to print. If your design has multiple pages, decide whether you want them all, or just select specific pages. Next, pick your paper type. Standard is a solid, budget-friendly choice for everyday use. Premium is thicker and feels more substantial, which can be great for important handouts or client-facing materials. Then choose a paper finish. Matte gives you a soft, non-reflective look. Gloss adds shine and punch to colors and photos. Uncoated has a natural feel and is easier to write on. After that, set the quantity you need. Adjust the amount to match your project, whether you're ordering a small batch to test or a larger run. When your selections look right, click Continue. As you adjust options, you'll see pricing and delivery updates, which can help you balance quality and budget. Keep important text within the safe area, and if you're designing full bleed artwork, make sure the background extends to the edges in your layout. Before you place the order, do a final check by downloading the PDF proof. Open it on your computer and zoom in to 100% or more. Make sure text is crisp, colors look consistent, nothing important is too close to the edge, and the page order matches what you expect. For photos and logos, start with high-resolution files so the final print looks sharp. If something looks off, go back to your design, make changes, and repeat the PDF check until it's perfect. If everything looks good, click Checkout. Enter your full details as prompted, such as your shipping information and payment method, and review any delivery estimates shown. Take a moment to confirm everything is accurate. This helps avoid delays. When you're ready, click Place Order, and you're done. That's the entire process for printing with Canva. Share, print with Canva, choose your product, set print options, verify with a PDF, and check out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your freshly printed design.